Well, folks, welcome to another edition of Show Me Your Car. If you guys can help me out here and subscribe to the channel, that would help out tremendously, and it helps other people be able to, so they can see the videos also. But anyway, I got a super cool one for you guys to check out here. I'm here with
Steve Peters.
Steve. Nice to meet you, Steve. Now, Steve's got this really cool old hot rod car here, and he's going to tell us a little bit about it. What kind of car is this, Steve?
It's a 1931 Ford 5-window coupe.
Okay. A 1931, huh?
31.
Wow. I see a lot of 32s, but not a lot of 31s.
31's, right.
Yeah.
Right.
Is this an all-steel car? Or?
Well, Henry Ford.
Okay.
It's a Henry Ford. It's not off a bottle.
Oh, perfect. I like that.
Yeah.
Definitely. Now, what engine do you have in there?
I have a 1996. It's a 7.4 out of a Chevy Dually.
Okay.
It's a 454.
A 454 engine on it.
Yeah.
I just love the front end on this thing, how you got the little hood scoop thing there. This is really cool. How long have you had this thing?
I bought it from a buddy of mine, Bill Vance,
Yeah.
and 10.
Okay, so you've
And
had it.
start putting it together
You've had it for a while
for a
then.
little bit. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. What's your favorite thing about this thing?
The motor.
It gets with it, huh?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Now, this in the back here, is this a trunk back here?
Yeah, they have regular trunks.
Yeah.
And then they have the trunks where you can sit in.
Okay. And
All
this
right,
is
but
a regular
just
trunk?
a regular trunk. Yeah.
Okay.
See. And you got the gas tank.
Oh,
and battery
yeah.
back
Okay,
here.
you got it where the gas tank back here and the batteries back here.
Mm-hmm.
Nice. Where's the gas tank usually at if it's not in the trunk?
Oh no, I show it to you.
Okay.
A little dangerous.
Well, don't get too dangerous on us here.
No, but I eliminated that
Yeah.
up front. Here it is, right here.
It's got some big old tires on it. I like those wheels.
Thank you. It's right here.
All right, Steve, where's the...
It's
Holy
right under the
smokes.
dash right here. This was the gas. This was the gas.
This was the gas tank right there?
Yeah, this section up under here was the gas tank.
Wow.
I cut it out.
I can
So
see
it could
why.
make some leg room.
Yeah.
Plus, it's too dangerous.
Yeah. So when you cut that out, it was hanging out underneath
Right,
the
it was
dash?
hanging down.
Wow. That makes a big difference, doesn't it? Yeah. Yep, for sure. It's a sweet ride you got here.
Thank you.
Somebody spent some time doing all the pinstriping
Yeah, I
and stuff
got
on
this
there.
guy in St. Louis did it.
Oh, really? I see you got the little blue dots in the back of your taillights.
Right. Try to make it. The theme was 40s, 50s hot rods.
Okay.
That's why there's no paint on black, flat black.
That's all right. I like the flat black. I've seen some others like that. Elvis's truck, and I've seen some others like that here. All right, Steve, would you mind firing it up so we can hear it?
Oh, let's see. Got a little problem with the start.
Uh-oh, well, we'll see if it works or not.
Yeah, we'll take it.
You got to watch so you don't burn your legs on that
Oh
thing?
yeah, yeah. You got to step out. You can't step down.
Okay.
Or you get first degree burns.
Yeah, I guess. I was always curious about that. Oh yeah. Now we're cooking with gas.
Yeah.
That's a good sound, isn't it?
Yep.
Yeah. People, that smile on your face is priceless. Yeah.
Yeah, it's all roller motor
Yeah. Wow.
with a cam and everything.
Yeah, it sounds awesome. That sounds great. Thank you so much. Wow, that is too cool.
Thank you.
Yeah, definitely. I think that we went over everything on your car. I'm going to take a quick peek at your dash here on this
Yeah, go
side.
ahead.
See how simple everything was back
Yeah,
in
it's
the day.
very simple.
Steve, did you get the information so you can see the video? You got a bunch
Yeah.
Yeah, I got a card.
Okay.
Very, very cool.
I got people over here I know.
Very, very neat. I'm liking what I'm seeing here.
Thank you.
All right, folks. All right, I tell you what, I'm gonna stop it here. Thank you so much, Steve, for
No
showing me
problem.
your car. Definitely,
No problem.
this is definitely a special car. to have for sure.
Huh?
Yep.
I don't know what you're looking for.
All right, folks.
What are you looking for?
Thanks a whole bunch for watching this edition of Show Me Your Car. If you like the video, click on the little logo right up here, and you can subscribe there. It's free to do. And right down here on this side was the last video I just did.
A camel in
Thanks
there.
for watching. I appreciate it.